Open the App Store on your iOS device and search for OpenVPN. Amongst the search results will be OpenVPN Connect from OpenVPN Technologies. Install the app on your device. Switch to the Safari app and go to the URL on screen. Enter the VPN login username and password as shown in the VPN login information section on your MetroCloud login information sheet. For the next several steps, you will need to install Google Authenticator. You can install it either on the same device on which you installed OpenVPN, or you can install it on a separate mobile device. Follow the steps in accordance with whatever configuration fits your use. Open the App Store on your mobile device and search for Google Authenticator and install the app on your device. In Google Authenticator, tap Get Started or tap the plus sign in the lower right corner. Tap Enter a setup key. Name the account OpenVPN and copy the Google Authenticator secret listed under the QR code on the MetroCloud login site and enter it as the key. Tap Add. An entry for OpenVPN will appear in Google Authenticator. Once you have confirmed that the OpenVPN entry is present in Google Authenticator, continue on to the next step. If you accidentally click the I scan the QR code button before setting up OpenVPN within Google Authenticator, you will need to contact MetroCloud support. You will need to install the Google Authenticator app if you don't already have it installed on a separate mobile device. Open the App Store on your mobile device and search for Google Authenticator and install the app on your device. In Google Authenticator, tap Get Started or tap the plus sign in the lower right corner. Tap Scan a QR code and scan the QR code displayed on the MetroCloud login website. An entry for OpenVPN will appear in Google Authenticator. Once you have confirmed that the QR code has been scanned and the OpenVPN entry is present in Google Authenticator, continue on to the next step. If you accidentally click the I scan the QR code button before scanning the QR code, you will need to contact MetroCloud support. Back on the MetroCloud login site, click I scan the QR code. To test Google Authenticator, log back into your MetroCloud account using the same VPN login credentials as shown in the VPN login information section on your MetroCloud login information sheet. This time, it will ask for a Google Authenticator code to complete the login process. After logging in, tap the bottom link, Yourself User Locked Profile. Confirm that you want to download client.ovpn. Tap the Downloads icon and tap on client.ovpn. Tap the Share icon and locate the Tap the OpenVPN icon to automatically import the file into the OpenVPN app. On the Import Profile screen, tap Add to import the profile. Once the profile is imported, tap the Save Password checkbox and enter your password. Tap Add in the upper right-hand corner to add the profile. A pop-up will appear stating that OpenVPN would like to add VPN configurations. Tap Allow. When you're ready to connect, tap the toggle switch next to the OpenVPN profile. Enter the Google Authenticator code. Once connection is successful, you will see your status as connected. To connect to the MetroCloud Internet Server, again, open Safari and go to the MetroCloud Login Mobile URL as shown on your MetroCloud Login information sheet. You may want to bookmark this URL in your browser for easy access in the future. Tap the Share icon, then tap Add Bookmark. Tap Save to save the bookmark. At the login screen, enter the appropriate MetroCloud user account username and password as listed on the MetroCloud login information sheet. You will see the MetroCloud screen load, and you are now connected to the MetroCloud Internet Server.